Hi family, you're welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you all three ways in which you can use the red onions for massive hair growth, grow a healthy hair, and also retain length and then grow a thicker hair. If you want to know how to make this recipe, please do well to watch to the end of the video because I'll be sharing with you how to actually make use of all the three recipes I will be sharing in this video. If you are new to my channel, you're welcome to my channel. Please do well to press the red subscription button to join the family because in my channel I share a little bit of hair, feminine hygiene, and also beauty. And if you're an OG, you're welcome back. So without further ado, let's get started. But don't forget to press the red subscription button. What are the benefits of onion? When added to the hair and scalp, onion juice can promote extra sulfur to support strong and thick hair, thus preventing hair loss and promoting hair growth. The sulfur from onions may also help promote collagen production. Collagen in turn helps the production of healthy skin cells and hair growth. Also, the presence of antioxidants in onion juice may help reverse premature graying of hair. And onion juice also can help increase blood circulation, further helping in hair growth. Its antibacterial properties might help keep your scalp away from infections, further promoting healthy hair growth. And also, onion is high in sulfur content. Onions help reduce hair breakage and thinning of hair. Sulfur is essential for regeneration of hair follicles. So onion has a whole lot of benefit. So the first thing I did was to remove the peels, and then after removing the peels from the onions, please do well to wash it thoroughly. And I'm going to be using 3 red onions for this recipe. 3 red onions. Then I'm going to be grating it. For the first recipe, I'll be grating it like so. You can also blend it if you want to. But why I usually like grating it, because when you want to blend it, you are going to add water to it, and water will definitely reduce the efficacy of the juice. So I like to grate it and then extract the juice to get the real potent juice that will actually work for me. That's how I do it. I don't like adding water to the juice. So I've finished blending it now. I'm using my sieve now to extract the onion juice from the red onion that we just blended, that we just grated right now. So this was all I could get. So this is all the juice I was able to get. So right now I'll be adding coconut oil to the onion juice. Both coconut oil and onion juice have great antibacterial and antifungal properties. Coconut oil also penetrates your scalp well and keeps it nourished, hydrated, and soft. Coconut oil also conditions the hair, and not only that, coconut oil also helps with dandruff issues and scalp issues. I'll also be going in with my mint oil, or you can go with a peppermint oil, and we know that peppermint oil is very good. It also has antibacterial and antifungal properties, and it also help in blood circulation through the scalp, which also promotes or leads to healthy hair growth. So you shake it like so. So that's for the first recipe. Then the next recipe we are doing now, we'll be making use of onion and ginger. Ginger contains circulatory agents that stimulate the flow of blood on the scalp, increasing blood circulation, which triggers the hair follicles and encourages new growth. Ginger has essential fatty acid which prevents hair from thinning, cures dandruff since it has a natural antiseptic that controls scalp problem. So ginger in essence help in blood circulation, which in turn leads to hair growth. So I'll be grating the onion first. After grating the onion, I'll go ahead now to also grate my ginger at the same time with the same grater. I'll mix them together. So I'm grating the ginger at the moment. Please do well to wash your ginger thoroughly. So I've done grating it right now. So I'll be sieving it off right now with my sieve. This I've been using these recipes for a while now, and I must say that my hair has really grown thicker, fuller. Dandruff issues have gone. And you need to try these recipes, sisters. You all need to try this, and you will thank me. It will grow your hair, reduce dandruff, and grow your hair thicker. You get thicker and even fuller hair. It's very good. So I've been able to extract the juice. Here we have the juice of the onion and the ginger together. I'll be putting it into an applicator bottle like so. So I'll be using it. So please, if you are yet to subscribe to my channel, please do well to press the red subscription button, and do not forget to press the bell button beside it. Please, so you get notified whenever I post a new video. Please subscribe to my channel and share this video, and do not forget to comment. Let me know if you have tried either of these recipes shared so far. So the last one, it will be onion juice and my aloe vera gel. You guys know I love aloe vera so much. So you can use the fresh aloe vera from the garden, or you can use anyone you can lay your hands on. So I've grated the onion juice now. I'm going to be adding the aloe vera to it. As you all know, aloe vera is very good for our hair, and aloe vera contains something called proteolytic enzyme, which helps with scalp issues. Aloe vera is also a very good conditioner for the hair. It conditions the hair, it helps treat dandruff, it also soothes the scalp as well. So aloe vera is something everybody needs to try. Aloe vera is very good for our hair, and it also promotes hair growth. So I'll be mixing all of them together like so. Mix everything together. So now I'll be showing you all how I make use of these three recipes shared. How to use the red onion juice. Now I'll be showing you all how I use it. So, and aloe vera has also helped me in preventing itchiness to the scalp. So now this is application time. I've divided my hair into sections, and do not forget to section the middle or the crown section on its own. So I've divided my hair now into, like, I think I have like 8 or 9 sections. So I'll be using a cotton board now. You get a cotton wool rather. So you get a cotton wool. That is what I'll be using to apply the first recipe, which contains the onion juice, the mint, and then the coconut oil. That's what I'm applying at the moment right now. So dab it, let it touch your scalp, because this one we are using it to target the scalp, so that there will be enough blood circulation on the scalp, because it is when there is blood circulation to the scalp that we stimulate the hair follicles, and then it will help us grow a healthy hair or lead to hair growth. Do not forget your edges as well. So apply it thoroughly on your scalp like so. Let it touch every part of your scalp and your edges. Do not forget the edges. Apply it thoroughly. Then you now go into massage. Massage it in circular motion. I actually felt like sleeping here. So massage it thoroughly. Thorough massage to increase blood circulation to the scalp, which in turn leads to hair growth. Now the next I'm applying now. That's the mixture of the ginger and the onion juice. That's what I'm applying at the moment now. This one, I actually apply it on my scalp and then on my strands as well. So I apply it on my hair strands too at the same time. Not just on my scalp alone, but my scalp and my hair. Onion juice is very, very good. If in fact, it promotes hair growth. It also reduces hair thinning, and not only that, onion juice can also help with alopecia treatment. I'm going to be linking a video on how to make onion juice so you can actually watch it. Just click the cards above to watch it. So now this is the last recipe where I have the aloe vera and the onion juice mixed together. Like I told you all, aloe vera is amazing. If you have been sleeping on aloe vera, please wake up. Aloe vera contains proteolytic enzyme which repairs dead skin cells on the scalp. It also acts as a great conditioner and leaves your hair smooth and shiny. It promotes hair growth. That's the key word. It promotes hair growth, prevents itching on the scalp, reduces dandruffs, and conditions your hair. So, aloe vera is amazing. So, I'll be applying that one too on my strands, on my hair directly. So massage it thoroughly and also massage your scalp as well. If your hair is thinning, try these three recipe: onion juice and either of this recipe. For thinning hair, I bet you your hair will get thicker. So that's what I've been using for a while. If you have been following me, I love onion juice. In fact, it has really helped me greatly. So you twist it down like so after applying on each section. So please do not forget to subscribe to my channel and do well to share this video with your friends and family. And if I may ask, have you tried onion juice on your hair? And which of this recipe are you going to try? Let's discuss it in the comment section. And if you have tried it, you can also as well share your method down below in the comment section. Let's discuss it as well. So I'm applying it like that on another section now. So put on your scalp like so. Massage the scalp thoroughly like that. Massage thoroughly. Thorough massaging, and then twist it down. So right now I'm done. I'm done. I've done every part of my hair, every section. So I'll now be covering it with a shower cap or a plastic bag like so, and then I will be using my heat cap for like 30 minutes. I'll use my heat cap for 30 minutes and then I will go rinse it off and follow up with my homemade DIY shampoo that I'll be sharing with you all soon. So do well to subscribe so you don't miss out on the shampoo I'll be posting after this one. So thank you all guys so much for watching. Thank you all. Do not forget to subscribe. Are you yet to subscribe to my channel? What are you waiting for? Please do well to press the red subscription button and let me know. Try either of these recipes. Let me know in the comment section. Thank you all for watching. See you guys in the next video. Bye.